Ganesh Chaturthi, also known as Vinayak Chaturthi, celebrates the birthday of the Hindu deity Ganesha. This festival marks the arrival of Ganesha to earth from Kailash Parvat with his mother, goddess Parvati. It is a time of joy, devotion, and cultural significance, bringing communities together in celebration. The festival features the installation of Ganesha's clay murtis, both privately in homes and publicly on elaborate pandals. Observances include chanting Vedic hymns and reading Hindu texts. Offerings and prasada, including sweets like modak, are distributed to the community. The festival ends on the 10th day with a public procession, music, and chanting. Then the murti is immersed in a nearby body of water. This immersion, called visarjana, happens on Ananta Chaturdashi. The clay murti dissolves, and Ganesha returns to his celestial abode. The festival celebrates Ganesha as the god of new beginnings and remover of obstacles, and the god of wisdom. It is observed throughout the Indian subcontinent by Hindus. It became popular after a public celebration was initiated by the anti-colonial freedom fighter Lokamanya Tilak in Maharashtra in 1893. It was a means to form a Hindu nationalist identity and rebel against British rule. Reading of texts, feasting, athletic and martial arts competitions are held at public venues. The festival has been publicly celebrated in Pune since the era of King Shivaji, who reigned from 1630 to 1680 and founded the Maratha Empire. The Peshwa in the 18th century were devotees of Ganesha and started a public Ganesh festival in Pune during the month of Bhadrapad. After the start of the British Raj, the Ganesh festival lost state patronage and became a private family celebration in Maharashtra until its revival by Indian freedom fighter Lokamanya Tilak. Tilak championed it to circumvent the British ban on Hindu gatherings and started the festival in Pune and Girgaon, Mumbai. The earliest mention of Ganapati is found in the Rigveda. It appears twice in the Rigveda, once in Shloka 2.23.1 and in Shloka 10.112.9. Both shlokas imply Ganapati as the seer among seers, abounding in food, presiding among the elders, and being the lord of an invocation. However, it is uncertain that the Vedic term Ganapati, which means guardian of the multitudes, referred specifically to the later era Ganesh. It appears in post-Vedic texts like the Griya Sutras, Vajasaneyi Samhita, Yajnavalkya Smriti, and Mahabharata as Ganesvaras and Vinayak. Ganesh appears in medieval Puranas as the god of success and obstacle remover. The Skanda, Narada, and Brahma Vaivarta Puranas praise him. Beyond textual interpretations, archaeological evidence suggests Ganesha was popular and revered before the 8th century CE, with images traceable to the 7th century or earlier. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights.